Guys, today's problem is maximum twin sum of a linked list. Maximum twin sum of a linked list. So, in a linked list of size n, where n is even, the ith node of the linked list is known as the twin of n minus 1 minus ith node. So, if my n is equals to 4 and I want to find the twin node of zeroth index element. Look at in the example. So according to the problem, my n is 4, n minus 1 minus I. 1 is 1, what is I is 0, that is equals to 3. So the element at the position 3 is my twin sum of the element present at the linked list of the starting 0th node. So they both are the twin sum. Similarly 4 and 2 both are the twin sum. Okay, so twin sum is defined as the sum of nodes and its twin. Okay, so what we have in the question, we have head of a linked list and we have to return what maximum twin sum of a linked list. So in this example, what is the twin sum of last two nodes, last one and first one node? 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 and 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So maximum sum will be 6. Okay, so nodes, look at the explanation. Nodes 0 and 1 are the twins of nodes 3 and 2. 0 is twin of 3, 1 is twin of 2 respectively. All the twin sum have 6. Okay, as an answer. There are no other nodes twin sum in the linked list. The maximum twin sum of the linked list is 6. So there are two or three approaches for solving this problem. So first, naive approach, which is a brute approach. Brute approach, what क्या आपके दिमाग में आ रही है? The brute approach is basically we can use a stack because we have to return what sum. So and as we can see, we are taking the first element and the last element, second first, second last. So as it up to when my linked list is between my LinkedIn is half. So in my stack I will push all the elements. How? For example, take the example given only 5 4 2 1. 5 4 2 1. So in my stack what I am doing is I will push my 5 and my 4 and my 2 and my 1. Okay, so I push all the elements in my stack of integer. Okay, stack of integers. So now I will apply what I will calculate the length as well. While I will apply the while loop. My temp जब तक null ना हो जाए, temp is equals to my head. While my temp not equal to null, what I will do, I will take the value temp of value and I will push this value. I will push this x value. I will push this x value in stack and I will move my pointer to the next one. Temp is equals to my temp ka next. Okay, I will push all the elements because of its LIFO property, last and first out. At the top of the position and we also calculate the length as well. How? I will also calculate length as well. I will just say length plus. Initially length was 0. Okay, so according to this you can see what are we doing is we are just taking the help of another data structure which is a stack to push all the elements of the linked list in that, and I will traverse up to what is the length will be after the iteration of and after storing all the elements in my stack. The length will be 4. So I will again apply the while loop on this linked list. And how I will apply the linked list? I will take the top of this and this time I will do this thing. While my length डिवाइड बाई 2 नॉट इक्वल टू 0। जब तक मेरा लेंथ डिवाइड बाई 2 मीन्स हाफ स्ट्रिंग जब तक हमारी नहीं हो जाती तब तक मैं स्टैक के अंदर से एलिमेंट्स को लेता रहूँगा। फॉर एग्जांपल एस डॉट टॉप जो भी आया मेरे पास प्लस माई एस डॉट टॉप प्लस माई टैम्प की वैल्यू, हाउ एस डॉट टॉप एंड माई टैम्प की वैल्यू। I will sum both of these elements. So what is the sum will be? Top is 5, so 5 plus 1. Okay, and I will pop the element as it also. What is the sum? Sum is 6. क्या मेरा तो 6 है, वो मैक्सिमम से बड़ा है। मैं इनिशियली माई मैक्सिमम आई विल डिक्लेयर अ वेरिएबल मैक्स ऑल्सो 1e minus 1 is 7 or 1 is 9 minus of 1 is 7. Because I need to return what? Maximum twin sum. So I will take the maximum twin sum initially minus one e7. 1 e7 is 10 to the power 7. So 5 plus 1 is 6. This one is, and I will do pop. After this I will update my max. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Similarly I will pop this and I will get my 2. My length is also minus. You can see in the code as well what I am saying. Look at this code. I will take the stack. I will mention assign head to my temp, and I will take the length as 0. As I said already, I will calculate the length of my linked list and push all the values in my set simultaneously one by one. Okay, so here I am making a stack and counting the length value. Okay, so after that I will assign temp head. Okay, sum is 0, maximum is minus 27, and size is length by 2. I will iterate a while loop again, and I will take the first of stack and take the first of temp value with head value. Okay, and I will add both of them, top plus ls, for finding the sum. After that अगर मेरा sum जो है maximum के बराबर आता है, then I will update my maximum and do temp is equals to temp next and size minus. We need to do this thing, but in this we are using a extra data structure, which is a stack. Okay, so we are what is the time complexity of this problem is time complexity will be O of n, and the space complexity is also O of n. Why? Because we are maintaining a stack. Okay, so this one is my first approach. This one is the first approach. So now look at the second approach. So yeah, what will be my second approach? In my second approach, I am using a method, algorithm, or you can say algorithm. What is the algorithm? Slow and fast pointer, tortoise. We already solved the previous problem with the help of slow and fast pointer. So what this algorithm is said to doing, this algorithm say start traversal from take two pointers initially, slow and fast. Okay, they both are pointing towards the first node, and what is the next step of these nodes is slow will move one step by step, one, and fast will move skipping the one step. For example, my slow is pointing toward 5. In the next iteration, my slow will be at here 4, but my fast will be fast ke next means this. Okay, again my slow will be here. Sorry. Again my slow will be here and my fast will pointing null. Okay, so this is a slow and fast pointer. We can easily find, you know what, we can easily find the middle of linked list by this algorithm easily, as whenever my fast, at what point my fast is facing null, my slow is at this position. So I will store the previous already. Okay, so I will because my n is even in this problem, so I will stop when I find fast next is 0. I will not go. So my slow will be at this point in that case, and my 4 will be my middle. Okay, 4 will be my middle. So first, for this the second algorithm, what we will do, so according to my next approach, what the next approach is saying, find the middle of the linked list and reverse the first half and compare both and find the sum. So according to my slow and fast pointer method, I will check and find the middle. Middle will be this. Sorry, my middle will be 2. My middle will be 2. When my fast will pointing the null, for my fast and slow in the first iteration ये रहेगा, in the second iteration my slow is here and my fast is here. We have to repeatedly do these steps of slow and fast until and unless my fast will be pointing towards null. After that my slow will be the middle of the linked list. So 5 4 2 1, this is only my second. What will be the third iteration? At the third iteration my sum will be at 2 and fast will be at null. So what we have currently, slow as 2. Okay, this is our what? This is our middle. After finding the middle, what I will do, I will start doing the reverse. Reverse of what? I will reverse my first half string. Then first half string after reversing will be 4 5 and 2 1 is as it is. So now I will start doing this thing. For example, look at the code. First of all, I am adding the base of test case. So this one is my base test case. Return head of value plus head of next. When if there are only 2 elements in the array, we will just sum both of them and return. This is my base condition. After that, I maintain a slow and fast according to my approach, and in this approach while my fast next is not equal to null, I will iterate again to check my slow and fast. And after taking the slow, what I will do, after taking the slow, I will reverse the linked list and start will be head, and I will again doing this operation जब तक मेरा temp null नहीं हो जाता and my second head जब तक null नहीं हो जाता, तब तक मैं अपना while loop चलाती रहूँगी. My sum will be temp of null plus second head of the value. I think I did something wrong here. I have to listen one thing. My middle of the linked list will be this. Okay, so this one is the point from where my second head will be generated. Okay, we are dividing these both strings. We are dividing with these both strings. How? My this string is separate and this one is separate because of this point is my slow. Okay, so I will apply the reverse operation on this slow. This is my second half. Okay, so after dividing, uh, how my linked list, both linked list look like. First one be look like by this, and second one is looking like 1 and 2 after reversing. Okay, so now I will start while loop again. जब तक मेरा टैम्प नल नहीं हो जाता, जब तक मेरा second head null नहीं हो जाता. This one is my second head, this one is my second head. So we taking the sum of both. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, and I will check if my max sum is less than sum, then I will update it, and I will go temp is equals to temp next, and second head is equals to second head next. And second will be go like this. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So time complexity will be same. In this approach, you can for the reverse function, you can check out the previous video where I mentioned the problem called delete the middle element. In that algorithm, I solved with the help of slow and fast pointer how to check the mid and how to delete that. What we basically do, how we find the middle by this slow and fast method. I will find the middle and I will delete it because I am storing from the last. In that case, you can find the video below. So for reverse, I will mention the link of the video in the description. So this is how we can find twin sum of a linked list. So what is the time complexity of this algorithm? Time complexity is same, but my space complexity, time complexity is same. My space complexity will be O of 1 because I am not using any extra data structure to solve the problems. I am using the same data structure to solve the problem. That's it.